The most important ingredient when it comes to success is self-discipline. Self-discipline is that very thing that all successful people share in common. So if you struggle with your self-discipline, stick around because this video is for you. I'm sharing my 6 steps into building your self-discipline. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so grateful you're here. A place for entrepreneurship and self-development. We are all about taking control of our life. So if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and join the fun. Self-discipline is not something people are born with. Self-discipline is a habit. It comes with routine. Now, if you ask anyone who has ever achieved something incredible, they will tell you that it took sacrifice, it took self-discipline. Now, how do you build self-discipline? Here are my 6 steps into building your self-discipline. My first step is to have the desire to succeed. That desire is the foundation of everything. If you don't have the desire to succeed, how are you going to cope with everything that the journey will bring? How are you going to achieve whatever it is that you're trying to achieve? That desire will be your source of motivation. That desire to succeed will be that thing that will carry you through struggles. Before you embark on that journey, take the time to ask yourself, if your desire to achieve that thing, is it strong enough to see you through? If you answer yes, let's move on to the next step. My step number 2 is to measure your desire to succeed versus the price that you have to pay to succeed. Now you have a desire to succeed, it's fantastic, but you have to face what it takes in order to achieve whatever you're trying to achieve. Are you willing to pay the price? Are you willing to work that hard? Are you willing to sacrifice things in order to realize whatever it is that you're trying to realize? This step for me is like signing a contract with yourself to be like, look, I've read the terms and conditions of whatever I am getting myself into, and I agree to abide by whatever it is that I have to do. I am willing to give whatever it takes in order to succeed. Signed, Tyrana. This step is really important, guys. It's not a joke. Like, it's good to treat it as a contract. I acknowledge the work that I have to put in. I acknowledge the sacrifice that I have to make in order to realize this. And I agree. I am willing to do that. And if your lack of self-discipline is actually really bad, seriously consider to make a contract with yourself. Be like, I know that what I'm about to get in requires these skills, this quality, this discipline, this and that and that, and I agree to do this every day, to do that every day, to do that every day, to do that every day, and you sign. Put it where you're going to see every day. You're going to pass lines like, okay, I'm supposed to do that. Oh, I'm supposed to do that. That way you will have that physical reminder. It won't be just you consciously disciplining yourself. You have those little things that kind of help you to stay on track or to come back on track. Because every time that you're just, watching TV or doing something that you're not supposed to do, you're going to look at that piece of contract telling you that, hello, you're supposed to do this. You haven't done anything yet. So my 3rd step is to be comfortable at being alone. I know some of you will be like, what does that have to do with self-discipline? Everything. If you work for somebody, then you have that little pressure already that makes you crack on with things that you have to do. But if you work for yourself, which many people are doing these days, being alone will be one of the situations where you will find yourself a lot, and you have to be comfortable with that. I was reading this article that was saying that the majority of successful people, like really highly successful people, are introverts. Among those people, the Facebook guy, the Microsoft guy, all those guys are introverts. That says a lot about being alone. My next step is to do things that you hate first. Everything that makes you uncomfortable, things that you have to do but you don't like to do, put them first. When you wake up, crack on with them, finish with them, done with them, move on to other stuff. For example, if you're trying to lose weight and you don't like to go to the gym or to exercise, put that first. Wake up in the morning, do with that, smash it, put it behind, move on. My step number 5 is to make sure that every single day you do something toward your goals. Even if it's just for 5 minutes, do something toward your goals. If at bedtime every single day you can answer this question, what have you done today toward your goal? You're good. When you make that as a daily target, it quickly turns to become natural. It becomes a habit. My last step, my step number 6, is to reward yourself. Reward yourself every time that you stick by everything that you have to do. So what I'm doing at the moment is that I am a fan of Love Island. I love Love Island. So I get... So what I do is that I record every day and I do what I have to do for the day, and I sit down at night and I chill and I watch it, and I promise you I feel good when I watch it. I feel like, yeah, I deserve this. I sit down and be proud, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I deserve to watch this. As opposed to when I haven't done things that I have to do and I'm sitting there watching TV instead. I feel, seriously, I'm like, seriously, I'm watching, but I'm like, seriously, girl, get up and go do things that you have to do. But I'm still there. You know, that conscious that I don't feel good. It's not the same feeling. So whatever it is for you, it doesn't have to be TV. It can be anything. It can be buying yourself something small. It can be a nice cup of cappuccino. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be diamonds and golds, you know. Remember to encourage yourself along the way. Remember to reward yourself along the way, because sometimes nobody would do it. You will be that same person that has to encourage you. Well done. Keep going. You're doing fantastic. You're moving. Every day you're moving close to your goal. Keep going. These are my 6 steps to build your self-discipline. I hope it helps in any way. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.